Hi, welcome to my channel. I thought of taking a break today, but then I thought, okay, let's shoot this morning skincare routine because it is easy to shoot. So this is me and Tata. Again, a big welcome to my channel. And now I'm gonna show you my morning skincare routine. So let's start. In the morning, I clean my face with micellar water, then I rinse it off with fermented rice water. This method has been working very well for me, and in the evening, I use a face wash. So this is the fermented rice water and it works really good for my skin, but many of you have told me that it doesn't, like, you got skin reaction from this. So yeah, this method is not for everyone. I have made one video on how and why I use rice water. I'm gonna leave the link down below. After I'm done with the cleansing, I use one essence. This is from NEOGEN. I'm using other essences as well from different brands. This step gives my skin this extra boost of hydration and nourishment, and I like using this. Next step is serum. I'm using this Klairs Fundamental drops and this is good. Even I have been trying out few other serums as well. I pick serums according to what my skin wants on a particular day. Then I use this Niamax gel. It has 4% niacinamide, and recently I had few dark spots on my skin, so I had been using kojic acid from Minimalist. It worked okay for my skin. The next step is moisturizer, and I'm using this Cipla moisturizer. Sometimes I use emulsion and gel moisturizers as well. It depends again on my skin, and I tailor my skincare routine accordingly every day. The last step is squalane, and if my skin is exposed to sun, then obviously I use sunscreen. I have been using Fisico sunscreen and it has been working very well for me. Then I apply one lip balm and that's all. And today I'm going to take some rest because I'm not feeling that well. But I truly enjoyed shooting this video. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this video to be helpful and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. Even Tata has his own channel. I'm going to leave his channel's link in the description box. So see you very soon. Bye bye.